what is artificial intelligence. So this term was taken into consideration by John McCarthy in the year 1956 in Dartmouth Conference. So it was the birth of artificial intelligence. So how did he define it? He defined it as science and engineering of making intelligent machine. On the other side, artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer to do tasks that are usually done by humans because they require human intelligence and judgment. So artificial intelligence is a technique of getting machine to work and behave like human. It has been able to accomplish this by forming machines and robots that have been used in wide range of fields including marketing, education, agriculture, health sector and many other, which we will discuss in our next lecture. Let's take few examples. As we are aware about Amazon Alexa, which is based on artificial intelligence, and self-driving car, which is also based on artificial intelligence, and the robots which can play chess. So these are the few examples of artificial intelligence. In the next lecture we'll discuss the AI applications in detail. So till then, stay tuned with StudyKosh. Thank you.